Go.
We got Al
Bakit
Cappuccino,
binabagsak?
so let's ask for his ID.
Ganun yung unboxing.
Al
Tama yun.
Cappuccino.
Basta, tingnan natin.
You can't go into the folders. Maybe I should have memorized the numbers for the
Enrica!
do that. We have the list. We can go to the list. He's not on the list. The list asking about that. Am I not on today's list?
Malaki daw ang gastos niya ngayon kasi ginawa naman nilang bigling
That's
ganyan.
not a shot that he's saying.
Siya, di ba? Sabi
Sa amin to.
ng gastos ko nanay. Ganito, ganyan, ganyan.
Well, how did you know this?
In-order ko to pero sa kanya nakapangalan.
One order. Okay,
Ako
so
babayaran ko.
I have to let him through, right? I mean, it was pretty normal. Yeah. All right, I'll let you through. Oh, hello, Aaron Moody. Yeah.
Sarura.
We just get a bunch of really obvious doppelgangers so that we can get this achievement
Pwede
pretty
ko kung
easily.
ano,
So
susura.
this lady, I know she doesn't have a mole, but was it on that side of her face? Pretty sure it was. I mean, this girl looks pretty normal, right? Gloria Schmidt, yeah, she's on the list, so yeah, you know what? We get to go. We have this guy and the boys, these boys, come from doing the shopping. Gloria says that, yeah, he's on the list. He is on the list. So,
Grabe, dugdug na yung box ah.
I think it is.
Bobo ng driver.
We're gonna have to just let it through.
Isa pa.
So that it proves to me that
Balance.
what are you gonna say, Robertsky?
Marunong, hindi ganun karunong mag-drive yung ano.
Robertsky,
Sus, hindi yan nanggaling sa kanila, kundi doon yun sa
this is a doppelganger,
Factory.
man. Like, you're doing a really good job. You know? I don't know the number.
ito siguro sa'yo, be.
Hindi sa kanya yan.
Kay JK. Magkaisa.
Ba't pinareho mong kulay?
Siyempre, couple shorts yan. Couple shoes. Couple shoes.
This guy had a bowl right there. I don't know, dude.
Da.
You know, I'm gonna lock him up. I'm gonna lock
Asan
him
ba yung kapares yan? Ito?
Shut up. Yeah, yeah. Valid.
Parang masikip naman yung dito. Ang ano.
Robertsky Peachman is he on the list? He's not.
Skip mo na.
About that.
Kasi sa kanya.
Robertsky Peachman.
Yan.
Good.
Yan pala ang couple shoes.